Once upon a time, in a world of gentle whispers and tranquil melodies, there lived a beautiful mother-to-be. She found herself on the cusp of a wondrous journey, the journey of bringing new life into the world. In this realm of serenity, she prepared herself to embrace the power and beauty of labor. As the mother-to-be settled into a cozy space surrounded by soft pillows and gentle candlelight, she took a moment to connect with her breath. With each inhale, she invited relaxation and peace into her being. And with each exhale, she released any tension or worries that might have lingered. She began to visualize herself in a serene meadow where vibrant wildflowers swayed gently in the breeze. The sun bathed the meadow in a warm golden glow, enveloping her in a comforting embrace. She felt safe, supported, and ready to embark on this incredible journey. As she continued to breathe deeply, she imagined her body as a magnificent vessel, capable of creating and nurturing life. She visualized her breath flowing down to her abdomen, bringing with it a soothing energy that enveloped her baby with love and tranquility. With each breath, she whispered words of encouragement to her little one, letting them know they were safe and cherished. In this serene realm, time seemed to slow down, allowing the mother-to-be to savor every moment of her labor. She envisioned gentle waves washing over her body, guiding her through the ebb and flow of contractions. With each surge, she surrendered to the power of her body, knowing that her baby was drawing closer to her with every passing moment. As the waves of labor continued, the mother-to-be connected with the strength and wisdom of women throughout the ages who had brought forth new life. She felt a deep sense of unity with all the mothers who had walked this path before her, and she drew strength from their collective love and support. The soothing voice of her birth partner whispered words of affirmation, reminding her of her incredible strength and resilience. They held her hand, providing a gentle touch that grounded her and reassured her that she was not alone. Together they formed a powerful bond, a union of love and support that would carry them through this transformative experience. As the labor progressed, the mother-to-be visualized her baby moving through the birth canal, guided by the wisdom of her body and the love that surrounded them. She imagined the moment of birth, a sacred and miraculous event. With each surge, she visualized her baby descending, drawing closer to the world outside. And then, in a symphony of awe-inspiring beauty, the moment arrived. The mother-to-be felt an overwhelming surge of love and joy as she held her baby in her arms for the first time. Their eyes met, and a profound connection was forged, a bond that would last a lifetime. In this realm of peace and tranquility, the mother-to-be basked in the glow of new life, cherishing the sacredness of this moment. She marveled at the strength and resilience of her body, knowing that she had overcome challenges and embraced the miracle of birth. As she cradled her baby, a sense of deep gratitude washed over her. She was grateful for the love and support that had surrounded her, for the wisdom of her body, and for the precious gift of motherhood. In this serene realm, she found solace, strength, and a profound sense of peace. And as the story of the mother-to-be unfolded, her journey became a testament to the incredible power and beauty of the human spirit. In this realm of relaxation and serenity, she discovered that she was capable of embracing the unknown, surrendering to the moment and finding strength in the depths of her being. As you emerge from this guided, full-body relaxation story, may you carry with you the essence of peace, tranquility, and the unwavering belief in your own power. May you find solace in the journey ahead, knowing that you are surrounded by love and support. And may your path be filled with the joy and wonder of bringing new life into the world. May your sleep be deep and restful, and may you awaken to a world brimming with love, joy, and endless possibilities. Thank you for choosing to listen to wantdreams.com. We hope that our guided sleep story has provided you with a sense of relaxation, tranquility, and comfort. Your decision to embark on this journey with us is greatly appreciated. We understand the importance of quality sleep and the rejuvenating power it holds. By taking the time to prioritize your rest and well-being, you are investing in yourself and creating a foundation for a healthier and happier life. We commend you for recognizing the value of self-care and the impact it can have on your overall well-being. At wantdreams.com, our goal is to support you in finding serenity and peace as you drift off into the realm of dreams. We believe that a good night's sleep is a gift we can give ourselves, allowing us to wake up refreshed and ready to embrace each day with renewed energy. We are grateful for the opportunity to be a part of your sleep routine and to accompany you on your journey towards restful nights and tranquil dreams. Your trust in us is not taken for granted, and we strive to continually provide you with captivating and soothing experiences. Remember, taking care of yourself is not a luxury, it is a necessity. Prioritizing your well-being and finding moments of peace and relaxation are essential for maintaining balance in today's fast-paced world. By choosing to listen to wantdreams.com, you are demonstrating your commitment to self-care and creating a sanctuary of tranquility in your life. Thank you once again for joining us on this guided sleep story adventure. We appreciate your presence, and we hope that you continue to find solace and serenity through our offerings. Wishing you many peaceful nights, restful sleep, and beautiful dreams. May the moon sprinkle its silver glow upon your dreams as you drift into a cozy slumber. Good night, sweet soul, and may the stars whisper lullabies of joy and serenity until the dawn kisses the sky once again. Good night, little dreamers.